Hi students, this is the video instructions for your step 2 of counterclaim today. In step 2, we need to review our goal score for counterclaim, and we need to update the counterclaim section of the rough draft document so that we can get ready for the work that you'll do throughout class. So for the first part, I want to remind you of the goal score that you set for counterclaim. If you go to your PLP, remember back to the unit calendar that we were working on the first day of the project. In the unit calendar, and I'm going to borrow Ethan's account for this. Thank you, Ethan. You set goal scores for each one of the cognitive skills in our project. Ethan's goal score for counterclaims was a 6. He currently had a 5 in my class. It's never been scored in Miss G's class, and he's going to shoot for a 6 in this project. Scrolling down, Ethan also set his strategic moves for today's class period. So I'm going to come down and find the 21st, where we're doing counterclaims. Ethan's strategic move was, I am going to shoot for a 6 and stay focused on my work throughout class. So simple strategic move. He's going to be aiming for that 6, and he wants to stay focused on his work throughout class. So I would imagine if he is feeling distracted, he could raise his hand and ask to move, or just make sure that he is 100% zoned in on his work. All right, coming back to the counterclaim document, the second part of this step is to update your counterclaim section of the rough draft document. What I mean by that is we're actually going to change in your rough draft document, we're going to change what the counterclaim section looks like. I've made updates to this since I originally made the document. So we are going to delete the table that's currently in there. Alt click, come down and select delete table, and just leave some space under where it says counterclaim section. And then from the counterclaim document, scroll down to the bottom, and there are tables to copy and paste into the rough draft document depending on the goal score that you set in your unit calendar. Once again, Ethan's goal score was a 6, so he's going to scroll down to the level 6 counterclaim section, copy this table, which will help him, guide him based on the directions on the left to get to that 6. Come back to the rough draft document, paste it in, and this will be the table that Ethan will write his counterclaim for the speech in. Might need to do a little bit of size adjustment to match the other tables, and you should be good to go. Please feel free to check in with your substitute teacher or Miss G as she comes by class if you have any questions. Thank you.